Hi guys, welcome to Novel Thoughts. Today I'm doing a children's book haul because I just bought a couple new books specifically for my children's book collection, which makes me super excited. So, I'm going to start with the one that I already had, but it's important and you'll see why. So this one, it is The Lady of Shalott by Lord Alfred Tennyson, and it's illustrated by Charles Keeping. Now I actually bought this in Tintagel, England, and the reason I loved it so much are because of the pictures. If you look at the drawings, they really are just so lovely. It's pencil art, and it's just very interesting. It's almost thought-provoking because of the way it's drawn, and it just makes the experience with the poem come alive. And beyond that, it's a really accessible way for kids to read poetry, and that's really what I want from this. I want my kids to pick this up and love the pictures and say, oh my goodness, I love The Lady of Shalott, and just like it because I like it. And so I've already had this book for quite a while, for almost 2 years. What I didn't realize was that Charles Keeping has illustrated other poetry, so that's where the next book comes in. This one is The Highwayman. It's the same series essentially. It's actually a slightly different size, which was kind of weird, but not by much. And The Highwayman is by Alfred Noyes, and once again it's illustrated by Charles Keeping. All of them are just really beautiful, but here are a few. This one plays a lot more with like light and dark. The other one has a lot of gray shadows in it. This one has a lot of black and white, which is really cool, really fun. So I'm super excited about this one now. I feel super cool because I have both. If anybody knows the Anne of Green Gables, she loves both of these poems, and they're both spotlighted in the books and the movies. And so I'm really pleased that I have illustrated editions of both of Anne Shirley's favorite poems, because they're mine too. And if I could be, I would be Anne. This one is Auggie and the Green Knight. Now I'm really excited about this one. I've known about it for almost a year, but I didn't know when it was printed. Zach Weinersmith is the comic artist for Saturday Morning Breakfast cereal. Anyway, he graduated in English, and so this has been like his brainchild for a really long time, and he finally put it up on Kickstarter and said, I really want to do this, are people gonna fund me? And he got instant funding. He met his goal within a couple hours. But what it is his idea of one of his favorite medieval tales, which is Sir Gawain and the Green Knight, and it's adapted to be a children's story. And so it's very thick, as you can see, but the text is quite large, which makes it very easily readable for kids. And similarly, it has these beautiful pictures. One of the stretch goals were these pictures, and they are illustrated by a French artist named Boulette and Boulet. I think it's Boulet, actually. And they're just so fun. One of my favorite pictures is this one, and this is Auggie. And she's actually, who she is actually as important as the story itself. Not only are we introducing children to medieval literature in a really fun and accessible way, but we're also introducing them to a very interesting female character. So Auggie loves animals, bugs, math, science, biology, everything, literally. She is probably the most brainy kid I've ever read about. It's interesting that she's a girl, not because that should be interesting, but because it's never portrayed that way. But anyway, he expressed that he was sad that he didn't really have a great female character that he thought a daughter could look up to, and so he decided he'd create one himself. And so Auggie is very spunky, she's crazy, she's really smart, she's fun, she has a very go-get-em attitude, and she's very empowered, and all of that is bundled up into this little 9-year-old girl, and it's so fun, but it's also entirely possible and real. It just is really refreshing, I guess is the right word. And so I would highly recommend this. As you can already see, we have started it. My husband and I are reading this together. The pictures are beautiful, the writing is hilarious, it's super fun. One of the fun things that Zach Weinersmith did was put in an appendix, kind of like Lewis Carroll did with Alice in Wonderland, and he just has a random little puzzle you can solve back there that applies to the book. And I'm super excited for my kids to read this because I do want a way for them to get into medieval literature, and because I'm also an English major, that's something I really hope for. It's why I buy illustrated poetry. And yeah, I just think it's going to be fantastic for them to see such a smart, go-getcha character in a little 9-year-old girl and recognize that we are all capable of great things. And that's kind of the point of kids literature. And so I'm really excited about that. But yeah, anyway, that's my really quick children's book haul. So yeah, great illustrated poetry by Charles Keeping, and then you add Augie and the Green Knight and you have what I have been excited about for like a week. So yeah, I'm thrilled, and I hope you enjoyed seeing what I got to add to my children's book collection, and I will see you guys next time on Novel Thoughts.